If you're like most American investors right now, you're probably looking at your portfolio and thinking,
Man, the big tech names have had a huge run, but where are the real opportunities heading into 2026?
well, today we're diving into something exciting. The underrated stocks set to skyrocket in 2026. These are solid companies that the market is sleeping on right now. They're undervalued, have strong growth drivers, and could deliver massive returns as we head into the new year. I'm talking about stocks in biotech, cruises, e-commerce, digital banking, and semiconductors, areas poised for big comebacks or continued boom thanks to trends like AI, travel recovery, and emerging markets. Important disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. This is not investment advice. Always do your own research, and investing involves risk. You could lose money. These are just my picks based on recent analyst views and market data as of late 2025. Let's jump in. First up, Viking Therapeutics, ticker VKTX. This is a biotech stock that's flying way under the radar, but it could be one of the biggest winners in 2026. Viking is developing drugs for obesity and metabolic diseases, like their lead candidate VK2735, a weight loss injection that's showing results similar to popular ones from Eli Lilly or Novo Nordisk, but potentially with fewer side effects. In late 2025, analysts are buzzing because Viking's Phase 2 trials have been promising, and they're heading into Phase 3 in 2026. If they get positive data or even partnership deals with Big Pharma, this stock could explode. Right now, it's trading at a market cap under $10 billion, which is cheap compared to competitors valued at hundreds of billions. Motley Fool and other experts called it one of the most underrated growth stocks heading into 2026. Revenue is still low since it's pre-commercial, but approval pathways could change that fast. Risk here: biotech is volatile, trials can fail. But if things go right, analysts see upside of 100% or more. This is a classic high-reward play for patient investors. Next, Carnival Corporation, ticker CCL, the world's largest cruise operator. After the pandemic crushed the industry, Carnival has been rebuilding strong. In 2025, bookings hit record highs, and they're finally turning consistent profits again. Heading into 2026, travel demand is still booming. Americans are spending on experiences like cruises more than ever. Carnival ships are filling up at higher prices, and they're paying down debt fast. The stock lagged the market in 2025, but analysts say it's undervalued at around 15 times forward earnings. With fuel costs stabilizing and new ships coming online, earnings could grow 20 to 30% in 2026. Motley Fool highlighted it as an underrated buy with big potential. Stock number 3, Amazon, ticker Amazon. Yeah, I know Amazon isn't exactly hidden, but it's seriously underrated right now. The stock underperformed the S&P 500 in 2025 amid worries about slowing e-commerce and heavy AI spending. But look closer. AWS, their cloud business, is growing 20% year over year, powering a ton of AI applications. Amazon is investing in its own AI chips, robot access through Zoox, and efficiency in warehouses. Overall revenue growth is still solid at 13%, and free cash flow is surging. Analysts see it as a bargain at current levels, with massive upside in 2026 as AI benefits kick in. Multiple sources, including Motley Fool and Morningstar, call it one of the best growth buys for the year ahead. Trading below historical multiples, this giant could skyrocket as the market realizes it's still a growth machine. Number 4, New Holdings, ticker NU, also known as Nubank, the digital bank dominating Latin America. This is a fintech gem that's exploding in Brazil, Mexico, and Colombia. They have over 100 million customers, offering no-fee accounts, credit cards, and investments, basically disrupting old-school banks. In 2025, the stock was up huge. They're expanding into new products and even the US market potentially. Warren Buffett's Berkshire owned it before, and analysts love the long-term story. Motley Fool called it one of the best stocks for 2026 growth. If interest rates stay favorable, this could be a multi-bagger. Great for Americans wanting international exposure without too much risk. Finally, stock 5, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, ticker TSM. The TSMC makes the advanced chips for NVIDIA, Apple, AMD, pretty much everyone in AI and tech. Demand for high-end semiconductors is off the charts with AI data centers booming. In 2025, geopolitical tensions worried some investors, but TSMC is diversifying factories, Trading at a reasonable 25 times forward earnings, it's seen as undervalued compared to pure AI plays. Multiple analysts, including from Motley Fool, say it's poised for strong gains in 2026 and beyond. This is the picks and shovels play for the AI gold rush. So there you have it, 5 underrated stocks with serious potential to skyrocket in 2026. Viking Therapeutics for biotech breakthrough, Carnival for travel rebound, Amazon for AI and cloud dominance, New Holdings for fintech growth, and TSMC for the chip boom. These aren't the flashy, overhyped names. They're solid businesses trading at attractive prices with clear catalysts ahead. Diversify, don't put all your eggs in one basket, and consider dollar cost averaging. What do you think? Which of these are you buying? Or do you have other underrated picks? Drop them in the comments, I read them all. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more straightforward stock breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next video.